they try to make you feel like pain on me. But you know, like I know that trouble will never last. Yeah. So hold your head up high. God is on your side. And he loves you and he cares. He's so faithful.
Hey everybody, it's Tayshawn Miller, baby. I know y'all like, what in the world is going on? Why Tayshawn Miller got a scarf around her head? Tayshawn Miller got a scarf around her head, honey, because my life is literally all over the place. Like, literally all over the place. But anyhow, so this video is going to be about a company that blessed me with some beautiful hair, and I think it couldn't have came at a better time considering that I am getting ready to go into the hospital for surgery, and I'm not going to be able to do my hair for a while, just like I did the first time. So y'all cannot see the bag because it's like a frosted white looking bag, but the name of the company is Yebo, Y-E-B-O. There it is, you can see it now, Y-E-B-O. And it doesn't say much on here. It came in this big ginormous box. I almost thought they sent like 80 packs of hair. The box was so big. But on the inside of this, you get, they gave me 4 bundles. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So they gave me 4 bundles of this hair. And this hair is for the bomb twist, y'all. The leader twist, the bomb twist, spring twist, whatever you want to call them. Also in there, they gave me a little packet. Oh, y'all. Yeah, I can't see them. Some little jewels. It's 2 silver ones and 2 gold ones. And 2 cute little clips. These clips are so cute, y'all. I guess to hold the hair when I'm doing it or whatever, which is really cute. But I really like this bag because it's reusable. And these little bags here are reusable as well. Now, as far as the color go, baby, let me tell you something. I cannot tell you what color this is because I do not see anything telling me what color it is. I don't see none of that. I don't. So, yeah, I can't. Yeah, I just can't. I can't tell you. But to me, it almost looks like a 1B with a 30. However, the 30 comes up fairly high. It comes up fairly high, and then they have it like really saturated down at the bottom. So, I don't know what that's all about. But I am going to be putting product on here so that this can get darker and things like that. I'll just go ahead and take one out for you guys to let you see. I can't tell you what inch it is either. So, I can't do that either. But to me, it looks like it could be maybe a 24 inch from what I'm gathering. Oh, maybe longer. Oh my God. Wait a minute. Yeah, this might be longer than a 24 inch. We may be looking at like a, well, no, maybe. It might be like a 30 inch somewhere up in there because my hands are spread it out all the way far. But this is how you would actually do the hair. You would do that to separate it. Let's see how easy it separates. Doesn't separate really bad. I mean, looks like something is going on this end, but you want to definitely, this hair could be very tricky. You have to be very gentle with these types of hairs because if not, baby, you will get it knotted up and you will lose hair. They were kind enough to send me 4 bundles, so see how I'm trying to untangle that? But it's no biggie because all you do is spray some water on this and you keep it trucking. Okay, so this is how you want to do the twist. So I am going to be doing the crochet method with my hair. So I am going to pre-twist this hair simply because I do not have time to sit down and do my whole entire hair. I am going to leave out the whole perimeter and I'm going to crochet the entire back of my head. So, and I will be showing you, portions of that with me crocheting it, and then I will come back and talk since this is a video for a company. I will come back and talk and let you guys know my experience with doing the crochet method and actually doing the individual spring twist in the front and let y'all know how I feel about the hair. I'm not really digging this color. I really wish they would have sent black because y'all know I just dyed my hair black or whatever, and they sent me this color which would have blended with my hair probably a year ago when my hair was brown. But you know, I'm grateful and thankful. And with my black hair coming down pretty far, I think it'll make this look a lot darker. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started and do my hair, and I'll be back.
Yeah, it's love. I didn't deserve it, I didn't deserve it. His love was so perfect, I was the worst and had to depend on his mercy. I'm not French, he worked me in his nets. New Jersey, New Jersey. Say we related, but separated. Divert you. And one with his love. The moment I opened it up, was broken and floating along. In the ocean of hopelessness, know who I'm rolling. He opened his arms, put his name on me and his grace on me. Yeah. Let your love just rain on me, let it rain
when
on me.
I tell you love rain down, man, it literally came down. Just look at his grace, like the cup that he drunk, that's what love tastes like. Flip water, the rest just don't taste right. This ain't no foolery, They beat him so brutally, Don't think that they're turning to him or show you what his love got to do with it. Painted so beautifully, never known a love like this. Like what? That real love, not Mary J, you just feel love. But life laid down and got killed love. Then he rolls up, that's that real love. Protect and keep, that's that shield love. Zip lock, that shield love. And he coming back, what it's still love. And it's rain.
Yeah, ayy, my grandmother told me she proud of me. She noticed the change, how far I came. She told me excitedly, she love what you doing inside of me. She said, go on, boy, you better be a leader in your home, boy. The love that you give to the homeboy, man, you know I had to put it in the song, Lord. You gotta share it with the masses. Tell them about the love that you lavish. Talk about the peace that surpasses every single thing that can happen. And that's why I gotta go gadget. For the one who don't know, let them know what's up. Everywhere I go, tell them that you're. You adopted me, so now you can. Call me family like you can. Unite the nation like you in. Till I'm open up and that you in. There ain't nothing that I'm doing to deserve the love and that you give. And that new feeling, that true healing, that sacrifice to see you live. And see, they don't know about this here. This John B. Lift the veil and help John see how you love the world in that John 3. If you looking for me, you can find me. I'm up in the booth, wrapped up in the truth. You blow me your way by whatever you do. Cause Katrina got nothing on you by the way that you.
Lord, why would you love me? My heart is so ugly. I'm the bottom of the bottom, leave me where it's dirty and muddy. If I was an angel, you'd probably have cast me away. Fell in love with music, got in the way. Never giving you a time on my day, but you still love me. Love by the bolos, never gonna run low. Love me like a Winslow. You ain't have to kick game, you ain't have to run game. Listen on Nintendo. Lord, why would you love me? I never obeyed you. It made me wonder weak, cause if you was me, I would've never came and saved you. Lord, it's crazy.
Okay, y'all, so this is the finished product, and y'all, I absolutely love it. I really want to thank Yebo Hair for giving me the opportunity to try out this hair and see if I like it, which I love it. It's so bouncy, it's so springy. I did mix a little bit of hair that I've had to give me some other like highlights, like if you can see up in there like this one, I mixed it to give me some highlights, so it's like the ombre effect, and then I have like some little highlights. See the highlights where I have some of them that are like pretty much really gold. I did my hair so small, y'all. Guess what? I still got 2 packs of hair left. My front area, I did it a little bit bigger than the back part that's crochet, but that's fine because I wanted this look. I got the look that I was going for. I was going for a sister lock type of look, but Marley twist type of look, if that makes sense. You know, small Marley twist sister locks. Spring twist, Lita twist, bomb twist, all of that is what I wanted to incorporate, and it was a part of my vision for this hairstyle. And I got exactly what I was looking for. I absolutely like it. So I am going to turn around and let you guys see the finished product. Please make sure that you are subscribed so that you can be a part of this awesome family. I had a brain fart just now. Yeah, I forgot what I was going to say. Yeah, let me stop rambling. Go ahead and show you guys the finished product. Make sure you thumbs up this video for more videos. Let me know if you guys are feeling my, I'm going to call them, I don't know. What should I call these? Y'all tell me what should I call them, because I don't even know what I should call them. I don't know. But this is going to be my surgery hairstyle. I am going back for surgery. I had to do my hair in a style where I would be able to not have to do anything to it, and this was just it. Alright, so oh, one more thing before I show you guys how long it is. It's really long. Like, okay, so you see where it sits at, like right here, but baby, let me just show you, like, oh my god, it's super long. When I pull it, it's literally, you guys can't see, but it's to my, it is literally to my hips. It is to my hips. Why is it so long? I would never know, but I don't know. It's pretty and I like it. Alright guys, so I will see you guys in my next video.
Yeah, ayy, my grandmother told me she proud of me. Yeah. She noticed the change, how far I came. She told me excitedly, yeah, she love what you doing inside of me. Yeah. She said, go on, boy, you better be a leader in your home, boy. The love that you give to the homeboy, man, you know I had to put it in a song, Lord. You gotta share it with the masses. Yeah. Tell them about the love that you lavish. Talk about the peace that surpasses every single thing that can happen. And that's why I gotta go gadget. For the one who don't know, let them know what's up. Everywhere I go, tell them that you're, yeah. You adopted me, so now you can. Call me family like you can. Unite the nation like you in. Till I'm open up and that you in. There ain't nothing that I'm doing to deserve the love and that you give. And that new feeling, that true healing, that sacrifice. See you live and see they don't know about this here. This John B. Lift the veil and help John see how you love the world and that John 3. If you looking for me, you can find me. I'm up in the booth, wrapped up in the truth. You blow me away by whatever you do, cause Katrina got nothing on you by the way that you.
I'ma pray until something happens.